In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to Shopify. We'll walk through the exact clicks to place your brand mark on your storefront, and I'll share a few simple tips so it looks sharp everywhere. First, head to shopify.com in your browser. On the homepage, select Login, then sign in to your store account. If you manage more than one store, make sure you're in the right one before continuing. Inside the admin, look to the left sidebar and open Online Store. This takes you to the Themes area. Find the theme that's currently live on your store and open the theme editor. This is where you'll see a live preview of your site on the right and a settings panel on the left. In the editor, open Theme Settings. From there, choose the section labeled Logo and Favicon. This area controls the image that appears in your store's header and also the tiny icon that shows in the Browser tab. We'll focus on the main logo here. Now select your default logo from your files. Shopify's file library is where images you've previously uploaded are stored, so choose the logo file you want your customers to see. For best results, use a transparent PNG or an SVG so the edges look clean over any background. A width of around 200 to 300 pixels works well for most themes. If your theme provides a logo size slider or width field in this same panel, use it to fine-tune the size so the header feels balanced and the image isn't fuzzy. As soon as you pick the file, watch the preview update on the right. Check that the logo isn't crowding your navigation and that it remains readable against your header color. If your brand mark includes fine lines, a slightly larger size often improves clarity. Also, make sure the original file isn't excessively large. Oversized images can slow down your storefront. Once it looks the way you want, click Save. That applies the logo to your live theme. If you change your mind later, you can return to this same logo and favicon area to swap the image or remove it and save again. And that's it. You went to shopify.com, logged in, opened Online Store, launched the theme editor, navigated to theme settings, chose logo and favicon, selected your logo from files, and saved your changes. Your storefront now carries your brand confidently on every page. Thanks for watching and happy selling.